My video guide is about removing the fake alerts and intrusive advertisements that are related to the site Flowerself.xyz. Flowerself.xyz is indeed a very malicious site which now attacks Google, Chrome and other browsers. It tries to trick you into clicking on this allow button. Sometimes it says that you need to do that in order to prove that you are not a robot, but when people mistakenly click on allow, their browser is hijacked with multiple ads that are displayed in the form of intrusive push notifications. So if you have clicked on allow, surely it was a mistake, and you need to fix this mistake by going to the menu, settings, privacy and security, site settings, then go down to permissions, choose notifications. Pay attention to the websites allowed to send notifications. When you find this flowerself.xyz, you should remove it from the list. If you see other junk sites here, get rid of them too. Finally, I recommend researching your computer with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. The best place to get it is on the page combocleaner.com. So go here, combocleaner.com, download Combo Cleaner, install the program, and begin researching your device with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner, such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threats which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threats, the locations of all these threats on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threats manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.